Michael Saylor is about to shake up the crypto world with explosive predictions. What does the future hold for Bitcoin? Why can an Ethereum ETF transform the market? And how will these changes impact the price of BTC? The answers to these questions could redefine everything we know about crypto investments. Stay tuned, as Saylor's revelations promise to alter the financial landscape like never before. In order not to miss any of this valuable information and to understand how these predictions can affect your investments, watch the video until the end. And if you want to stay on top of all the news and analysis about cryptocurrencies, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. Your support is essential for the growth of our channel and for us to bring you more relevant content. 1. Bitcoin's future. Michael Saylor firmly believes that Bitcoin is the best store of value available today. He argues that Bitcoin, with its limited supply of 21 million units, is the ultimate answer to runaway inflation and the depreciation of fiat currencies. Saylor suggests that Bitcoin is the digital gold, with an unquestionable superiority over the precious metal, as it combines scarcity with impenetrable digital security. This emerging asset, according to him, has the potential to transform the global economy, offering a safe and efficient alternative to the traditional financial system. Saylor sees a bright future for Bitcoin, driven by institutional adoption and growing recognition of its utility. He points to the growing number of companies and investment funds that are allocating part of their portfolios to Bitcoin, as an indication of its growing acceptance. This move, according to him, not only validates Bitcoin as a valuable asset, but also strengthens its position in the global financial market. The entry of institutional players brings stability, liquidity, and legitimacy, essential factors for the maturity of the cryptocurrency market. Saylor's view is long-term, seeing Bitcoin as a store of value that could eventually replace gold as the leading global reserve asset. He believes that as more people and institutions understand the advantages of Bitcoin, its adoption will grow exponentially. Saylor envisions a future where Bitcoin not only becomes an integral part of investment portfolios, but also a global monetary standard. This transformation, he said, is inevitable, and those who invest early will be positioned to reap the greatest benefits. 2. Ethereum ETH. The introduction of an Ethereum ETH ETF could be a game-changer in the cryptocurrency market. Michael Saylor highlighted how an ETH ETF could bring an unprecedented level of legitimacy to Ethereum, attracting investors who might otherwise avoid buying the cryptocurrency outright. This financial product would allow traditional investors to access the cryptocurrency market through a regulated and familiar structure, increasing the acceptance and liquidity of Ethereum significantly. Saylor believes that an Ethereum ETF would also help solidify Ethereum's position as the leading platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications. With the increasing adoption of decentralized finance, DeFi, and the expansion of the NFT ecosystem, Ethereum is on an upward trajectory. The creation of an ETF would allow more capital to flow into Ethereum, further fueling its development and adoption. This influx of institutional investments could accelerate innovation and infrastructure around Ethereum, benefiting the entire crypto space. The impact of an Ethereum ETF goes beyond the simple appreciation of the asset. It represents an important step in the integration of the cryptocurrency market with the traditional financial system. Saylor argues that this integration is crucial for the sustainable growth and stability of the cryptocurrency market. An Ethereum ETF would be a clear sign that regulators are willing to embrace cryptocurrencies, providing a safer and more predictable environment for investors of all kinds. This regulatory evolution is vital for the next phase of growth for cryptocurrencies. 3. Bitcoin price predictions. Michael Saylor's price predictions for Bitcoin are undoubtedly bullish, but they are grounded in careful analysis and a long-term strategic vision. He argues that Bitcoin is still in its early stages of adoption, comparing it to the early internet in the 1990s. Saylor suggests that just as the internet revolutionized global communication and commerce, Bitcoin has the potential to transform the financial system. He believes that Bitcoin's value will increase exponentially as more people and institutions recognize its utility as a store of value. Saylor highlights rising inflation and the devaluation of fiat currencies as factors driving interest in Bitcoin. He points to rising prices for goods and services as a clear indicator that people are losing confidence in traditional currencies. In this context, Bitcoin offers a robust alternative, protecting against the erosion of purchasing power. Saylor predicts that as more people seek refuge from inflation, the demand for Bitcoin will increase, pushing its price to new heights. However, Saylor warns that the Bitcoin market is not without volatility. He advises investors to take a long-term view and be patient. Volatility, according to him, is an inherent characteristic of a growing asset, especially one as disruptive as Bitcoin. Despite the short-term fluctuations, Saylor is confident that Bitcoin's upward trajectory will continue. He suggests that investors should focus on Bitcoin's fundamentals and macroeconomic trends, which point to a promising future for the cryptocurrency. 4. Live news and market impact. During the interview, Michael Saylor addressed the importance of staying up to date with live news affecting the cryptocurrency market. He emphasized that in a market as dynamic as that of cryptocurrencies, unexpected events can have significant impacts on prices and investor perception. Saylor suggests that investors should pay attention to regulatory decisions, announcements from major companies, and changes in global economic policies. These factors, he says, can provide valuable insights and help predict market movements. Saylor also discussed how news about institutional adoption and technological innovation can influence the crypto market. He mentioned that announcements from major companies, such as Tesla's purchase of Bitcoin or banks' adoption of blockchain solutions, could generate a substantial increase in investor confidence and demand for cryptocurrencies. Additionally, technological advancements, such as improvements in the scalability and security of blockchain networks, can attract more users and investors, strengthening the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Saylor's analysis of the impact of live news on the crypto market is a call to action for investors. He points out that information is power and that those who stay informed have a competitive advantage. Saylor suggests that investors should use tools and resources to monitor the news and develop a deeper understanding of market trends. By doing so, they can make more informed and strategic decisions, navigating the volatile cryptocurrency market with more confidence. 5. Impact of the interview. Michael Saylor's interview has a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market, not only because of his predictions and insights, but also because of his influence and position as CEO of MicroStrategy. With MicroStrategy being one of the largest holders of corporate Bitcoin, Saylor's views are seen as highly influential and often provoke immediate reactions in the market. His comments on Bitcoin and a possible Ethereum ETF not only boost investor confidence, but also attract the attention of new investors to the cryptocurrency market. Saylor utilizes his platform to educate and inspire other business leaders to consider Bitcoin as an integral part of their investment strategies. He argues that by investing in Bitcoin, companies can hedge their balance sheets against inflation and add value in the long run. This perspective resonates with many executives and institutional investors, who are increasingly exploring cryptocurrencies as a viable asset class. Saylor's advocacy for Bitcoin helps legitimize and popularize the cryptocurrency in the business world. In addition, Saylor's interview also serves as a catalyst for broader discussions about the future of decentralized finance and the evolution of the cryptocurrency market. He frequently addresses topics such as regulation, technological innovation, and institutional adoption, which are crucial for the sustainable growth of the sector. By bringing these issues into the spotlight, Saylor contributes to a deeper understanding and more informed dialogue about the role of cryptocurrencies in the global economy.